Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn with Maktum. It's been a long time that we were discussing computer graphics. Yes, so in the last video of computer graphics, we stopped discussing the what display devices where we completed the CRT, that is cathode ray tube. Hope you remember CRT. So there will be a vacuum tube in which there will be an electron gun which will emit the electrons. Yes, so that those electron beams will pass through the focusing and the deflecting systems to reach the screen. When they hit the screen, there will be a spot of light will be produced. Yes, so hope you remember it. So now today we will continue with the same display devices. Those are random scan display and raster scan display. Okay, so hope you're excited to learn random scan and raster scan. With that excitement, don't forget to click on the like button. So without wasting time, let's start with random scan display. So what do you mean by this random scan display now? In random scan display, it is also using electron beam which behaves like a pencil to create a line image on CRT screen. So what is happening here? So if I consider the same way as electron gun will be there, yes. So this electron gun will emit the electron beam. Here this electron beam is acting as a pencil. Means what? It is going to draw a line image. So say this is a screen. Okay, this electron beam will hit the screen and it will draw the line image. Say if you want to draw a triangle, first it will draw a line like this, then this, then this. So here it is using what? Here it is using the lines to draw. And you can see here in a random scan display, it is not using the entire screen. It is not using the entire screen. It is only using the screen positions where you want to draw the image. That's the point to be remembered in random scan display. It is not using the entire screen. Clear with that? So the next, the picture is constructed out of sequence of a straight segment. So as I said, the picture is constructed using what? Using the lines. That is the straight line segments. Okay. Each line segment is drawn on the screen by directing beam to move from one point to on the screen to next. So here as I said, the electron beam will hit this. So this is a point X. So from this point X, it will move to the another point Y. Okay. So like this, then the next line will be point X again here. Then from here, point Y. So from one point to another point, it is going, that is, it is using the line segments to draw the image. Clear with that? After drawing the picture, the system cycles back to the first line and design all the lines of the image. So once it is completing the image, for example, once again I will show you. This is the first line, second line, and lastly it will come back to its original line. Then again it starts repeating the thing, so that the image becomes a bit more visible. Okay, so this repeats like this. Clear with that? Understood? Okay, then so I will show you here this example. So firstly, the electron gun will emit the electron beam that will hit the screen. So say if you want to write A, what will happen? First this line segment will be drawn. Yes, then it is going to back a bit, then again this line, then it is going to like this and this. Yeah, it is using line segment. You can, I hope you understand. So once the image completely drawn, it will go back to the first line itself, then again it repeats the same tasks. Okay, clear with that? So this is how random scan display works. Clear with that? So let's see the advantages and disadvantages. Starting with the advantages, a CRT has electron beam directed only to the parts of the screen where an image is to be drawn. So as I said, the electron beam will be directed to the parts of the screen where you want to draw the image. It will not use the whole screen. Okay. It produces smooth line drawings. Okay. And the images which are produced by this display is having higher resolution. Okay, so the disadvantage which we have is it cannot display the realistic shade scenes. So what is the disadvantages? It cannot display the realistic shade scenes. Okay, so that's all for the random scan display. So let us discuss raster scan display. So in raster scan display, what happens? I have written all the points here. The electron beam is swept across the screen one row at a time from top to bottom. So what is happening here? So here the electron beam is swept across the screen one row at a time from top to bottom. So if I consider a screen, so the electron beam will start from top. It will start producing what? It will start going through each row one by one. Okay. Yes. So here, whenever you want to say, for example, you want to draw what? A, like this. If you want to draw A, so what happens when it is going like this? So here there will be something called as intensity value. That intensity value is either on or off. So initially it will be off. Initially it will be off. So when it comes to this point here, you want to draw something. No, so here it will become on. The intensity value become on. Then again from this point again it will become off because there is no need of intensity here. Yes. Then again it will go to the next one. How it will go here is there is something called as horizontal line. So like this, and it will come to the left side of the next row. Okay. So again it will start here, value is off. Then once it comes here, the intensity value becomes on, then again off, then here again on, then again off. Then using the horizontal line, it will comes to the next row left side. Then again it goes like this. So here the intensity value is very important. Okay. In the raster scan display, intensity value is very important. Clear with that? So how this intensity value is fetched? So these intensity values are stored in something called as frame buffer, or it is also called as refresh buffer. These intensity values of the screen points are stored in a memory area called as frame buffer. Okay. So I hope it is clear now. So now you can see, as I said, the electron beam is swept across the screen one row at a time from top to bottom. As the electron beam moves across each row, the beam intensity is turned on and off to create a pattern of illuminated spots. Hope you're getting the points. I already explained the things now. Hope you got it. Picture definition is stored in memory area called as refresh buffer or frame buffer. This memory area holds the set of intensity values for all the screen points. So all those screen points value of intensity is stored in the refresh buffer or frame buffer, so that each screen point on the screen is called as pixel. Remember that each screen point in a picture is called as pixel. So let's see. Stored intensity values are retrieved from the frame buffer and painted on the screen row. So each row which is printed, that is called a scan line. It is called as scan line. Each screen point is referred as a pixel. At the end of each line, the electron beam returns to the left side of the screen begin displaying the next scan line. Hope you got it. So what it is trying to say is, so first row, then using this next horizontal line, it is going to the next scan line. So here, this row is a scan line. Okay, it is a scan line, and each point in the is called pixel. It is called pixel, and this is the horizontal line. Clear that? Hope you understood the raster scan display. So that's all for this video. In this video, what we have studied? We studied about the random scan display and raster scan display. There are still some more display devices to be discussed that we are going to see in the next video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.